Hi, I'm Carl Wollaston, Product Manager for the wheeled loaded shovel product Marubeni Komatsu. Talking today from the Hillhead show where we've got tons of fantastic products on display. But I want to focus in on the brand new model, the -8 version of the WA480. It's been designed primarily as a truck loading machine, 5.4 cubic metre bucket, so it's 2-pass loading of 8-legger tippers, 3-pass loading of articulation trucks. So comparing this machine to the previous -6 model, we fit a larger torque converter. The benefit of that is faster acceleration, faster travel, particularly on inclines for higher productivity. The sweet spot of the torque converter and engine match-up is also at a lower revs, 1700 as opposed to 2000 revs, so it saves you fuel. In addition to the larger torque converter, the computer has a device called the Smart Loader Logic. And what that does is, it lowers the torque curves and the engine power curves to match the application. So in a carrying operation where it's not demanding high power, it reduces the engine power to save you fuel. In common with all our -8 series machines, you get Y-core radiators, reverse fan, all the quarry health and safety items, ride control, auto greaser, and a high-spec air suspension seat for comfortable operation. Thanks very much for watching the video. For any more information, please visit our website www.marubeni-komatsu.co.uk.